another Epicflows Production.
Yeah. Now this is a story all about how my life got switched turned upside down, and I would like to take a minute to just sit right here and tell you how I shine and bet them girls are full of hot hair. In my bedroom one night, with a poverty girl, and we playing around just like any other day. Just working, sucking, musical, cool, and not laughing. Say after we go eat some food. When Ishawna came on and was up to no good. Say equal rights and justice like she take me for food. I got in one big quarrel cause my girl got mad. I said, you want me to do what? I put my mouth right where? I listen real mad, I said me look like foot of hype. Me say, girl, you're so fresh and Ishawna damn bait. If anything I should taste some food with no hair. But I thought your girl, go home, get up there. I walked up to the fridge about an hour or so later, and I thought I was starting what this world really come to. Looked to my fridge, thirsty as hell, and all I saw was a bottle of Pepsi. Yo, right about now, me no drink Pepsi again. Me no drink bug juice again. Right about now, me no see fries. Any food Ishawna mention, me no know about it. Oh.
It's epic out here.
Epicflows Production.
Radical epic.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah.